Hello everyone, especially grade 4. How are you today? I hope you all the best. Today we are going to talk about Unit 4, Lesson 2, Finding Area. Are you ready to study? Let's go. So now let's show how do you find the area of rectangle. But firstly, let's show what's the meaning of area. عايزين الأول نعرف يعني إيه area. For example, if we have a rectangle and you wanted to find the area of this rectangle, that means you wanted to find the measure of internal space. انت عايز measure of internal space. المكان اللي جوه ده كله عايز تعرف هو قد ايه. Okay, that means area. So we have to know the rule. Area of a rectangle gets by length times width. That means if we have the measure of each side, here we have length equals 6 and length 6, width 4 and width 4. Okay, so how do you find the area? ازاي هنعرف measure of internal space؟ هنعرف ازاي measure بتاع المكان ده internal rectangle by multiplying length times width. Okay, so length equals 6 and width equals 4. So multiply 6 times 4 equals 24 centimeters squared. And take care, you may have a mistake, great mistake here. If you write centimeter instead of squared centimeter, okay? The unit of area is squared centimeter, unit of area. You have to take care. Why centimeter square? ليه centimeter square? Let's show why. To find the area of a rectangle, you multiply length times width. Okay, length equals 6 centimeter times width equals 4 centimeter. So multiply equals 6 times 4, 24. And centimeter times centimeter. Get what? Get centimeter squared. Okay, or squared centimeter. So you have to write the unit of area. Okay, unit of area. كمان ممكن في سؤال تشوز تيجي لك الانسر 24 centimeter or 24 centimeter square. طبعا هتحتار، فلازم تكون واخد بالك انه 24 centimeter squared refers area. Okay, the next, using a formula to find area of a square. For example, the same, it's very similar to area of a rectangle. Okay, here we have a square, each side length equals 5, 4 sides are equal, so each one equals 5 centimeter, and we wanted to find the area. Length times the width. Okay, suppose it's a rectangle, so multiply length times width. Okay, so 5 times 5, because two sides are equals. Okay, so we get a new rule very similar to area of rectangle. Area of a square equals side length times side length, because they are equals. So multiply side times itself. Means 5 times 5 equals 25 centimeter squared, and don't forget squared. Okay, يعني area of a square بتاخد the side times itself. Okay, let's solve exercise. Write the formula of the area of each rectangle or square, then find its area. Okay, first step, we have to write the formula for each one. Number 1, here we have a rectangle, length equals 9 and width equals 3. Write the formula. And all area equals length times width equals 9 times 3 equals 27 centimeter. And don't forget to write squared. Okay, next one, square, 4 sides are equals, so write area equals side times side equals 6 times itself equals 36. and don't forget to write square centimeter عشان تعود نفسك. The last one also square 5 and 5. Write the rule. Area equals side times the side equals 5 times 5 equals 25. 25 which unit? Kilometer. So write kilometer squared. Okay. Next one. Find the area and perimeter. Okay, here we have two rules, two formulas. Area and perimeter. Okay, the first figure, rectangle, different sides, length and width. Okay, area equals length times width equals 6 times 4 equals 24 centimeter squared. And perimeter of rectangle, can you remember? 2 times length plus width means 2 times 6 plus 4. 2 times 6 plus 4 equals 10 equals 2 times 10 20 centimeter. مفيش هنا squared. ليه؟ لأن length plus width not time. okay, هنا في some يعني في addition مش multiplication. got it? The next one, rectangle 3 centimeter and 5 centimeters, so it will be a rectangle. Area equals length times the width equals 5 times 3 equals 15 centimeter squared because it's the area. Perimeter 2 times length plus width اللي هي 5 plus 3. 2 times 5 plus 3 equals 8. 2 times 8 equals 16 centimeter. The last one, square equal sides 9 and 9. تمام. So area equals side times itself, side times side equals 9 times 9. Can you remember timetable? 9 times 9 equals 81. Don't forget write centimeter squared. Perimeter of a square, can you remember? Side times 4 equals side length times 4 sides. Side times 4 يعني 9 times 4 equals 36 centimeter, only centimeter. Okay. The next, complete. Area of a square equals, can you remember? Side times 4 or side times the side? Side times the side or side times itself. Okay. A rectangle of length 7 centimeter and width 4 centimeter. Okay. Length and width. Then its area. Area length times width. So equals 7 times 4 equals 28. A rectangle of length 8 centimeter and width 3 centimeter. Its area, although 8 times 3 equals 24. The next, a garden in the shape of a square whose side length equals 9 meters. Then its area, square and 9 meters for side and area. So to find the area of a square, the rule equals side times itself or side times the side. So 9 times 9 equals 81. The area of a rectangle is dimensions 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Dimensions means length and width. Okay, length and width. 5 and 3. And rectangle, so find the area of a rectangle. Area of rectangle, length times the width equals 5 times 3 equals 15. 15 and which unit? Centimeter squared. The next one, a rectangle, its width is 4 centimeter and its length equals 6. Then its area, the same. To find the area, multiply length times width, or width times the length, whatever, equals 24 centimeter square. G, the length of a rectangle 10 millimeter and width 8 millimeter. Then the area of this rectangle the same. كله نفس rule, length times width, يعني 10 times 8 equals 80, and here we have millimeter, so write millimeter squared. The next, square whose side length 4 meters, find the area. Square and wanted to find the area, to side times itself, okay, equals 4 times 4 equals 16. ودي area, don't forget to write squared. شايفين كام سؤال قلت فيهم don't forget to write square؟ شايفين كده كام سؤال؟ اتمنى المعلومة تثبت يعني، اوكي، عشان اسئلة التشوز بتوقع في الحاجات البسيطة دي. area of a square which is side length 6 centimeter. square and area، يعني عايزين area of a square ومديني هنا side length. Okay, so multiply 6 times itself equals 36. Okay, so let's show the next story. Square picture of a side length 8 centimeter. Hussein wants to cut a piece of glass to cover this picture. What the area of the glass piece? Okay, هو هنا سألني عن ايه؟ What the area. انت ممكن تقوله area equal وتحل على طول الموضوع انتهى، بس ده مش هينفع لان انت لازم تفهم انت بتعمل ايه. فاحنا هنا هنفهم الستوري عايزه ايه. هو هنا has a picture like a square shaped in a square، هي square picture. اوكي، طب and wanna to cut a piece of glass to cover، يعني عايز يجيب cover made of glass to cover this picture، يعني عايز يغطي، هي صورة او picture وعايز يغطيها ب piece of glass must be the same size or the same area. فلازم الجلاس ده هيكون نفس الاريا بتاعة البيكتشر، صح؟ فإذا كان هو سألني عن area of glass أو سألني عن area of picture as the same، هنقول له نفس rule، هي area equals area of a square side times the side equals 8 times 8 equals 64, and don't forget to write centimeter squared. Okay, next one, which is greater, the area of rectangle with dimensions 7 and 6, so 7 and 5, or the area of a square with side length 6. Okay, which is the greater? We have to find the two area and find which is the greater. The first area of rectangle, find area of rectangle. Okay, equals length times the width equals 7 times 5 equals 35 centimeter squared. Next, the area of square, area of square equals side times itself equals side equals 6 centimeters, so multiply 6 times 6 equals 36 centimeter square. Okay, so the first area 35, the second area 36, so area of square is the greatest. Got it? You have to study the rules. ده هيساعدك كتير جدا ان انت تحل السؤال بسهولة جدا جدا جدا. Okay, that we have finished our lesson today. I hope you've got it. وبس كده.